Hello, wonderful bakers and social media superstars. Get ready to sprinkle some joy into your kitchens, because today we're talking about a true classic that's making a magnificent comeback. We're diving deep into the world of the glorious Bundt cake. Remember those beautiful, intricately shaped cakes that always seem to appear at family gatherings? They were the stars of every potluck and bake sale, weren't they? That's the magic of the Bundt cake. It's more than just a dessert. It's a trip down memory lane. Each fluted curve and every delicious slice brings back cherished moments, warm kitchens, and the comforting scent of home baking. There's something so wonderfully nostalgic about it. These cakes embody a simpler time, a time when homemade treats were a centerpiece of celebration. They remind us of Grandma's kitchen, secret recipes, and the pure joy of sharing something special. It's a taste of pure happiness. Now, let's talk practicality for our busy lives. One of the best-kept secrets of the Bundt cake. It's surprisingly simple to make. You get all the wow factor with minimal fuss, making it perfect for any home baker. Forget about fiddly layers, delicate crumb coats, or intricate piping. The Bundt pan does all the hard work for you, creating an impressive shape with very little effort on your part. Most Bundt cake recipes are a delightful mix and pour affair. With just a few basic ingredients and a good pan, you can create something truly spectacular. It's the ideal choice when you want to impress without spending hours in the kitchen. Less time stressing means more time enjoying the process. And of course, enjoying the delicious results. And speaking of impressing, let's chat about its undeniable appeal on social media. Bundt cakes are absolutely made for Instagram, Pinterest, and every feed in between. Just look at that natural artistry. Their distinct sculptural shapes are instantly recognizable and incredibly photogenic. A dusting of powdered sugar or a simple glaze is often all it takes to turn it into a showstopper. It's truly picture perfect. Think about it. No fancy photography skills required to make these beauties shine. Their inherent elegance means they naturally pop in any shot, making your baking creations truly stand out online. They tell a story of comfort, beauty, and homemade goodness, which resonates so well with audiences. Get ready for those likes and comments to roll in when you share your Bundt masterpiece. So, how do we create this delightful confection? The beauty of a Bundt cake lies in its versatility. You can use almost any cake batter, from rich chocolate to bright lemon or cozy spice. The key to a perfect Bundt is often a slightly denser batter, which helps it hold that beautiful shape. Think classic butter cakes, pound cakes, or even quick bread recipes adapted for a Bundt pan. Start with quality ingredients. That's always a golden rule in baking. Fresh eggs, good butter, and pure vanilla extract make all the difference in flavor and texture. And don't forget to properly grease and flour your Bundt pan. This step is crucial for a clean release and those crisp, defined edges. A little extra care here saves a lot of heartache later. For that picture-perfect Bundt, always make sure your pan is thoroughly greased and floured. Get into every nook and cranny with shortening or butter. Then dust with flour or cocoa powder for chocolate cakes. Don't overfill your pan. Generally, filling it about 2/3 full is ideal. This allows for proper rising without overflow and keeps that iconic shape intact. Tap the pan gently on your counter after filling to release any air bubbles. This ensures an even crumb and prevents large air pockets from forming in your baked cake. Allow your cake to cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes after baking. This helps it firm up before you attempt to invert it, preventing it from breaking apart. Now for the fun part, decorating. The Bundt cake's shape means you don't need elaborate frosting. A simple dusting of powdered sugar is elegant and classic, showing off those beautiful details. A quick drizzle of a simple glaze, think vanilla, lemon, or even a chocolate ganache, cascading down the fluted edges adds a touch of sophistication and extra flavor. For a bit more flair, consider adding some fresh berries or edible flowers to the center opening. It instantly elevates the presentation and adds a pop of color. You can also create a contrasting effect with a dark cake and a light glaze, or vice versa. The possibilities are endless, and all are beautifully simple. The Bundt cake truly is a baking superhero. Nostalgic, easy, and incredibly photogenic. It's time to rediscover this classic and bring its comforting charm back into our homes and onto our feeds. So, pull out that Bundt pan, choose your favorite recipe, and get baking. Share your beautiful creations with us online using your favorite hashtags. Let's celebrate the glorious return of the Bundt. Happy baking, everyone. I can't wait to see what deliciousness you whip up.